Welcome back to social studies. Yes, what all we studied at previous class? Yes, we studied about fallen of Constantinople, right? Yes. Now we'll go through the main ideas that the Renaissance scholars are popularized. Okay, we'll see now this. What all the main ideas, each and everything we'll see now. Invention of printing. Yes, invention of printing. Everybody knows, right? About printing. Yes. When it was invented and by whom it is invented, we'll see now. Yes. Johannes Gutenberg was started the first printing press in 1440. Yes. When that printing press was introduced? By 1440. Yes. When it by whom it was started or by whom it was invented? Yes, Johannes Gutenberg, right? Yes, Johannes Gutenberg was started the first printing press in 1440. Yes. In which form a large-scale printing helped in the spread of ideas faster, as well as the people got a very easy access ways to print of the scholars. Yes, actually what happened when he was invented a printing press in 1440, that time the large scale printing helped very quickly to spread their ideas very faster, as well as people got easily access to writing of their scholars. Yes, before that they was not knowing what is a print, how the print will be, each and everything they was not knowing. But later on Johannes was introduced. After that they got a great ideas. It was spreaded a very fast. Yes, now see humanism. Yes, Paracelsus Petrarch is also known as father of humanism. Yes, now we gonna see about humanism. Humanism is nothing but, yes, Francisco Petrarch is also known as father of humanism. Francisco Petrarch is also known as father of humanism. Petrarch was greatly influenced by the writing on a classical Latin writer like Cicero and Virgil. Yes, actually what Petrarch did, Petrarch was greatly influenced by the writing some classical Latin writers. Like Latin words will be same in the same format. Latin written like in which form, in which way he written? It is nothing but in Cicero and Virgil. So this both in Latin written he liked, as well as the classical written that gave more important of individual than the God. Whichever he wrote classical writer, especially in Cicero and Virgil, it given a more importance than the God. Yes. Then the focusing the shift from the God religious of the human life. And actually what it did, it was focused and shifted on a God and religion of the human life. Yes, actually whatever he wrote later on, it was focused and shifted by the God. It is also a religion on the human life. Okay. Next, everybody open a page of this. Yes, this will be your homework, which all I explained. So you have to search this and you have to write those names. Okay. Now we'll see rationalism. The Renaissance think refused to accept anything blindly, even the authority of the church. They believe in reasoning and thinking about the accepting. Yes, obviously the rationalism, how it will be, the Renaissance, they will think before they refuse or accepting anything blindly, even the authority of the church or whatever might be, they won't ready to accept the reasoning, but also they believed and think before accepting. Okay, that is nothing but rationalism. Next we'll see scientific spirit. Scholars endeavored to find the scientific explanation of the thing around them. They encouraged observation, experimentation, and conclusion, not blind acceptance. Yes, obviously, actually what happened? The scholarship, whichever they endeavored to find that scientific explanation of the thing around them, they always encouraged and observation, experimentation, conclusion, not blindly acceptance. The scientist, what they will do, if there is a leaves, how the leaf came, if I take as example, how the leaf came, in which format, what all the content is available, each and everything they will observe, they will keep as an observation, and they will do in the form of experimentation. Later on, they will give conclusion. Okay, before that, they won't accept or they won't give conclusion blindly. Okay, next we'll see spirit of inquiry. Yes, people now begin to question or discover a new thing and explore the unknown. Yes, that people, whatever they begin the questions, before that they has to discover new thing, exploring now. See, if this is a pencil, they have to invent this. Without inventing, if the people begins the question, no, there is no use. First they have to invent, later on they has to give some introduction, then they has to go for the questions. Okay. Next, realism. Realism was visible in the painting. Artists now painted the real beautiful of the world and the grace of real man and woman. Yes, actually what happened? The realism was a very visible of painting. Everybody knows that how the painting will be. Yes, obviously the artist only knows that painting is the real beautiful of the world. Okay, then the grace of real man or woman. It is, painting is one of the artists that they can enjoy the beauty or they can enjoy the feeling of the painted or a painting. Okay, yes, now we'll go through impact of Renaissance. What is this? The Renaissance left a deep impact like 3-1 art, architecture, science and above all human thinking is. The Renaissance is our thinking very three deeply, which are those? Art, architecture or a science, architecture or literature. They can call both. Art became a more realistic and artists dispatch the scenes from day to day there in the life of picture. They also experimented with a new art from like that Ferrisos of a wall picker, oil, colors and wood cuts. What they will do? See, can see this picture, then only we can realize this. See, what is the art become? They are the realistic artists, right? Yes, as well as what they will do? Day by day, how the life will be gone, their picture will be implemented, and it is also experimented in the form of new art, as well as they can also will be paste or they can also hang in the wall picture or a oil color or a wood color. If we go for any presentations, like if we go for painting shops, you can see, right? Yes, so much of pictures and so much of wood paintings, so much of oil colors, wall pictures, each and everything we can see. Yes, that is nothing but art, yes, right? Next we'll see literature. The period was very faithfully one of the literature becomes the invention of the printing press. It was a great public demand that written in his lands and youths are written not only in Latin but also in other language. Like literature is nothing but whatever they will be written in the form of other languages. Okay, it will be fruitfully one of that literature to become invention of printing press, right? As well as it is a great demand of the public, whatever they written, whatever they leads to each surgical, it is only written in the word of Latin. Not only in Latin, they not planned only in the Latin, they also planned in the other language too, whatever the literature. Yes. Next we'll see German, English and sorry. Yes, right. German, English, and Italian, the Renaissance ushered in the new era in the literature. For the first time, the scholar had discarded the Latin, which only a few people could understand and took to written in the local languages. Yes, as well as the German, the English, the Italian, whatever the Renaissance issued in the new era literature, it was the first time scholar. Okay, as well as it was only a few people could understand whatever they were written in their local languages. Okay, next we'll see science. During the Renaissance, the great developments occurred in geography, astronomy, chemistry, and physics. Yes, obviously everybody knows, right, in science, chemistry, geography, it was geography, astronomy, and chemistry, physics. It all developed under the Renaissance of science. It is under that a greater development was occurred in geography, astronomy, chemistry, and physics, as well as maths and engineering. Many age-old concepts receiving setback, and new scientific concepts and theories began to be accepted. Okay, yes, as well as in science there is a mathematics or engineering, and many old age concepts it is received in the setback of new scientific concepts, as well as the theories began to be accepted. Yes, what all we studied today? We studied today the main ideas that Renaissance scholar popularized, as well as the impact of the Renaissance. We'll see again tomorrow at the next class, exploring Asia and the New World, and page number 16. This will be one homework. You have to search in the Google, or if you read, first you read in the textbook, later on search the Google, or you should write this homework. Okay, anyway students, bye, meet you up at next class.